Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are well and safe at your home. So let's begin today's session. This session for class 3rd, subject SST, chapter 3, Festivals of India from your second term book. It's lecture number 1 and topic will be national festivals and Republic Day celebrations. Now let's start today's session with page number 19 from your SST book. Have you opened your book, page number 19 and chapter 3, Festivals of India? India is a country which is well known for its rich cultural heritage. Underline heritage word. And heritage meaning in Hindi is virasat. The Indian culture and festivals are popular worldwide. भारत एक ऐसा देश है जो अपने कल्चरल हेरिटेज के लिए जाना जाता है और भारतीय कल्चरल फेस्टिवल्स विश्व भर में लोकप्रिय हैं. नाउ अंडरलाइन वर्ल्ड वाइड वर्ड. Indian festivals can be broadly divided into two groups: national festivals and religious festival. Some festivals are celebrated when crops are ready for cutting. These are called harvest festivals. कुछ त्यौहार तब मनाए जाते हैं जब फसलें कटने के लिए तैयार होती हैं. इन्हें हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल कहा जाता है. हियर अंडरलाइन हार्वेस्ट वर्ड. National festivals. We celebrate 3 national festivals in India: Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Celebrate, underline celebrate word. Okay, how many national festivals are celebrated in India? Yes, in India we celebrate 3 festivals: Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Next is Independence Day celebration. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. This day is declared as a national holiday. स्वतंत्रता दिवस हर साल 15 अगस्त को मनाया जाता है. इस दिन को राष्ट्रीय अवकाश मीन्स छुट्टी के रूप में घोषित किया जाता है. इंडिया became independent on this day in the year 1947. The main function is held at the Red Fort, Delhi. The national flag is hosted by the Prime Minister of India, who also gives a speech to the nation. Functions are held in school office in all states capitals and other cities. मीन्स कि इंडिया इसी दिन आज़ाद हुआ था। कौन से दिन? 1947 में। इस दिन को मेन फंक्शन होता है जो लाल किला दिल्ली में प्रधानमंत्री के द्वारा झंडा फहराकर होता है, और स्कूल, कॉलेज, ऑफिस और हर जगह राज्य राजधानियों में भी झंडा फहराया जाता है। नेक्स्ट इज Republic Day celebrations. After we become independent, we made our own laws. It was decided that all Indians would choose their leaders themselves. स्वतंत्र होने के बाद हमने अपना कानून खुद बनाया। ये निर्णय लिया गया कि सभी भारतीय अपने नेताओं को स्वयं चुनेंगे। Such a country in which there is an elected head of the state is called republic. ऐसा देश जिसमें राज्य का एक निर्वाचित प्रमुख होता है उसे गणतंत्र कहा जाता है। India became a republic on 26 January 1950. So we celebrate this day as the Republic Day every year. भारत 26 जनवरी 1950 को एक गणतंत्र बन गया, इसलिए हम हर साल इसी दिन को गणतंत्र दिवस के रूप में मनाते हैं। कौन से दिन को? 26 जनवरी 26 जनवरी। The main function is held at Vijay Chowk in New Delhi. There is a grand parade as a part of the celebration on Republic Day. Tableaux from different states make the event colorful and lively. Children who have won awards for bravery are also a part of the parade. The President of India gives them the bravery awards. मुख्य समारोह, मुख्य जो फंक्शन है, मेन फंक्शन न्यू दिल्ली के विजय चौक में आयोजित किया जाता है, क्योंकि गणतंत्र दिवस पर उत्सव के एक भाग के रूप में एक भव्य परेड होती है। विभिन्न राज्यों की झांकी कार्यक्रम को रंगीन और जीवित बनाती हैं। जिन बच्चों ने बहादुरी के लिए पुरस्कार जीते होते हैं वे भी परेड का हिस्सा हैं, क्योंकि उस दिन भारत के राष्ट्रपति उन्हें बहादुरी का पुरस्कार देते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज गांधी जयंती। गांधी जयंती, द थर्ड नेशनल फेस्टिवल्स इज गांधी जयंती। मीन्स जो तीसरा हमारा नेशनल फेस्टिवल है वो है गांधी जयंती। It is celebrated on the 2nd of October to mark the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. तीसरा राष्ट्रीय पर्व गांधी जयंती है, जिसे महात्मा गांधी के जन्मदिन के रूप में 2 अक्टूबर को मनाया जाता है। He led the people of India to freedom. That is why he is called the father of the nation. मीन्स उन्होंने भारत के लोगों को स्वतंत्रता के लिए प्रेरित किया, इसलिए उन्हें राष्ट्र का पिता कहा जाता है। On this day prayer meetings are held all over the country. People visit Gandhi's Samadhi at Rajghat in Delhi to pay their respects by offering flowers and prayers. इस दिन पूरे देश में प्रार्थना सभाएं आयोजित की जाती हैं। लोग दिल्ली में राजघाट पर गांधी समाधि पर जाते हैं और क्या करते हैं, वहाँ पे फूल और प्रार्थनाएं देकर उनका सम्मान करते हैं। It was the poet Rabindranath Tagore who first called Gandhi the Mahatma or a great soul. यह कवि रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर थे जिन्होंने पहली बार गांधी को महात्मा या एक महान आत्मा कहा था। Now we will do the rest of the chapter in next lecture. Now we will write question answer in notebook regarding which just we have studied now. So first you have to write date, then day, lesson number 3 and the name of lesson, FES TIVALS, festivals of India. And here write down C.W. Whenever you do work with me, you have to write C.W means classwork. And here date and day. Whenever you do this work, you have to mention according to that day and date. Now write down here question, answer. Question number 1. Who is regarded as the father of the nation? When is his birthday? Celebrated. Answer is Mahatma Gandhi G is regarded as the father of the nation. We celebrate his birthday on 2nd October. Question number 2. When is Republic Day celebrated? And why? Answer is the Constitution came into force in our country on 26th January 1950. That's why we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. Next question is number 3. Why do we celebrate festivals? Answer is we celebrate festivals to be happy together. Now note down your homework. You have to underline what you read while reading the chapter. Write the same word in your notebook with the format. This is your homework. Why don't we revise those words once so that you can do homework easily? Speak with me. Number 1, heritage. Heritage. Second, worldwide. Worldwide. Third, harvest. Harvest. Fourth, festival. Festival. Fifth, celebrate. Celebrate. Sixth, awards. Awards. 7, illuminate. Illuminate. 8, decorate. 8 number, decorate. This is your homework. You have to do neat and clean in your notebook and send it to me on time. Subscribe this channel if you like my video that it is this lecture. Goodbye. Thank you.